Hi, this is Kristen, and today I'll show you how to add an inline image. Inline images can appear anywhere in your main content block or in a content widget and can be nearly any width, though I would recommend 500 pixels or less. They support the content by providing examples or aside information. The images you choose can be very important. It is vital that you use only images the college has permission to use. Do not take images off the internet unless you've purchased the rights to them. Using someone else's images without permission is copyright infringement. If you need help choosing a suitable image, please reach out to the Creative Services team. It is also important that your image not have writing in it, or if it does, that it is very, very large writing. The image will shrink so that the whole thing fits on a mobile device, but the writing will no longer be readable once the image gets smaller. Also, the writing on an image is not readable by search engines like Google, so it's important that you type out the details of your program or event in live text, not in an image, so people who search can find the page. Some good examples of images that are good to use include photos you took of your class during a lab or interactive session, photos taken by PR during a recent event, logos from other organizations, as long as we have permission to use them, and stock photography purchased from iStockPhoto or from the Creative Services team, especially when they're of smiling and active people. Once you have an image chosen, save it to a place on your desktop where you can easily access it. It should be in JPEG, PNG, or GIF format. Log into Kentico by opening a web browser and going to www.stg.nwtc.edu/cmsdesk and entering your EMPL ID and password. Go to Pages and choose the page you want to add your image to. Check the page out. If you want to add an image to the Content Block section, hover over the block until you see the gray gear icon. Then click the gear icon and choose Configure. You can now edit the contents of the block. Place your cursor where you want the image to appear. Click the Media icon, which looks like a small film strip. Make sure the Media Libraries tab is selected and that you're in the correct library. You can use the drop-down at the left to choose a different one. Click Upload and select the image you want to use from your computer. Click Open to complete the upload process. The image you uploaded is now selected. In the upper window, click the pencil to edit the image dimensions. An Edit Image dialog box will open. Select by absolute size and 500. Click OK. The image will resize. Click Save and Close to keep the change. You can leave the image on its own line or wrap the text along one side. To wrap text to the left of the image, scroll down in the lower window and choose Left from the Align drop-down. To wrap on the right, choose Right. Click Save and Close in the lower right corner to add the image to the page. If you would like to add some space between the image and the text, click on the image and select Padded Left Image from the Style drop-down for a left-aligned image, or Padded Right Image for a right-aligned one. Once you're happy with how your page looks, click Check In and Publish to save and publish it.